In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook page from your Facebook profile. First, you have to log in your Facebook profile. Then click on profile icon and select the page that you want to delete. Then click again on profile icon. Now click on settings. Then scroll down. Now click on Access and Control. Then select Delete Page. Then click on Continue. Then click again on Continue. Then enter your Facebook password. Then click on Continue and click on Continue again. Now see, your page is deleted. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.